students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and good at your home. Students, in previous video we read our lesson number 14, My Plan, and I give you the explanation of that poem. Now today we are doing the exercise of that lesson. Students, here for your help, the glossary is given to you to find the hard words and their meanings. Now the first question is listen and repeat. So all of you have to listen it carefully and repeat it with me. Older, colder, folder. Boat, float, coat. Red, bed, lead. Fish, dish, wish. Now listen it once again. Older, colder, folder. Boat, float, coat. Red, bed, lead. Fish, dish, wish. Students, there is one more thing is that all these words you find that all these words are rhyme with each other. Here older, colder and folder, all three words are rhyming with each other. Boat, float, coat is rhyming with each other. Red, bed, lead is rhyming with each other, and fish, dish and wish is rhyme with each other. Now go to the next one, word power. Complete the poem with appropriate words. Here with the help of the poem we have to complete these words like I will have a little cabin all painted white and red with shutters for the window and curtains for the curtains for the bed. I will have a little cook stove on which to fry my fishes and all the Hudson River in which to wash my dishes. Here we complete these lines with the help of poem. Now go to the next one. Question number 1. What does the poet plan to do when he is a little older? Poet का क्या प्लान है जब वो थोड़ा सा और बूढ़ा होगा तो? And the answer is when he is a little older, his plan to buy a boat. Here the answer is his plan to buy a boat. This one is your first answer. Now go to the second question. Who are the two of us? In this poem, who are the two of us? The two of us is the poet and his boat. Poet और उसकी boat को यहाँ पर two of us बोला गया है. Now question number 3. What will he do with the cook stove? What will he do with the cook stove? He will fry his fishes with the cook stove. He will fry his fishes with the cook stove. Now fourth one. Where will he wash his dishes? Where will he wash his dishes? He will wash his dishes in a Hudson River. He will wash his dishes in Hudson River. So students, here we complete the question answer and the exercise of that lesson. So you have to write in your notebook. Here one more thing is, student, that you find the rhyming word of this poem in that, like older, colder, folder. Next is boat, float. Red, bed. Fishes, dishes. So you have write more rhyming words from that poem. So you have to read it and write it in your notebook and learn it.